Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today I have a project share for you guys, and this is an entry for a birthday challenge. So it was a really simple one in the Facebook group Made by You, and it was really simple. So I used Shabby Art Boutique's paper. It is called Shabby Halloween, and this was her free kit. She puts out a free kit. I believe it's every month, and so I just used her free kit for this birthday challenge. One of the things that was asked for was a card. So I'm assuming it was like I don't know if it was a Halloween card or a birthday card, but this is the card that I made for the recipient. It's layered in silver, and then this cardstock right here is from Hobby Lobby, and then this is part of the paper kit. And then I fussy cut this cute little girl, and then this was also, I fussy cut all of it, and then I just I just put it on there to make a card. And then on the inside it says, I think this is the only stamp. I may have other stamps, but this one's the only one that kind of goes with a Halloween card. So I stamped the bats on one side, and then I put the cat on the other side, and then of course I just inked around the edges. And that's going to be my card to her, and I went ahead and made her an envelope as well. And this is that paper from Hobby Lobby, and it comes in a paper pack, and I just thought that was very pretty. So what the main thing that she asked for was an insert for a junk journal, and she gave us what size she wanted, and these are the colors she wanted. She wanted pinks and blacks and just real shabby. So again, everything is from the paper line. The 1/2 inch goes this way because that's what she's gonna attach her so she can put it into her junk journal. So again, this is all part of the paper, the free paper kit. And these are little, I just made these little cut apart, or journaling pages, and I did one solid, one patterned, one solid, and all the two solid have the images from the collection. So I just put those there, and then so it goes that way. And then when she flips it over, because I'm thinking that most everyone will probably go this way with their page, and I thought, well, let me give her something that she can open on the other side. Right here I put a rose right there, guys, from the collection. Pumpkin. This is so pretty. So then she'll flip it over, and this is this is a plain page. She can journal right there, she can do whatever. And then these are a couple of cards, and these again are from the collection. I did back them up with pink cardstock, and then just made this into a little tuck space. And then it opens this way, and isn't that pretty, guys? Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. This is free, guys. If you go to Shabby Art Boutique, I believe it's her blog, and you can download it, or you can find the link in her blog, and you can have this little mini digital click kit for free. So I used the page with a cat on there. Right here I put another tuck spot. Again, I just cut some circles, cut this image out, and made it into a tuck spot, which is this one right here. And then I made her some tags with the collection, and then again pattern, solid, and patterned. So instead of putting fabric on here or lace, I didn't want it to get too thick because I don't know how thick she's gonna have her album. So I just cut out some strips of glitter cardstock and made the little ribbons myself, so she can use those for whatever. And then this is of course the front side. And there we go. That is going to be my entry for her. And then I did have, oh, and then the last thing she required, I'll show you in a second. And then I did have some fussy cuts left over. So I made her a little envelope and I put them in here so she can use them with her, look at how cute these images are. She can use them with her junk journal. And I just thought these are so, so pretty. Okay, so here we go. And I even included a little snippet of where I got the paper in case she wants to go and download some more. It's the Shabby Halloween Mini Digital Kit, Shabby Art Boutique, and it is for personal use only, and that's what I'm using it for. It's a personal use, so I'm not breaking any of her rules. And I just made this little policy envelope to put them all into. There we go. So she can have a little extra. She can use the envelope in her junk journal. And I just put some Velcro on there, and there you go. That's that. I sent her those images. And then she did require, oh, and I sent her, you know, just a few goodies. I don't know if she does candy or not. I just sent her a few pieces of candy because Halloween. And then she wanted us to alter a Dollar Tree pumpkin. And she showed us the pumpkin, but I couldn't find it at my Dollar Tree. I found the next best one that I could. And this was like a mirrored orange and black. And of course I wanted it to match the rest of the things that I was sending her. So I painted it pink. And I believe it's ballerina slippers. It's a chalk paint. So I painted it, and then I made this little doily some time back. I have a few made already. And I just glued it to the top. And then I glued a cluster of flowers. I did not make any of these. And then the leaves, I know those are Frank Garcia leaves. And then I put some pearl strings in there, like that. Another little piece of applique. And I glued on these dots, these gems, black gems. And it matches her collection, or the collection, very well. So that is my entry for her birthday challenge. I didn't know she was going to keep this out all year or not, or if it was just a Halloween thing. So I was going to put some of the images on there, but I thought, I'll let her do that. So that's why, another reason I included some of those images in case she wants to put some of them on here. And then one last thing I did, of course it wasn't required, but I printed the paper onto tissue so that I can package her entry, or I'm sorry, so that I could package her box, make it look nice and pretty. And I just printed it on regular tissue from Dollar Tree. It's white. And there's that page. This is the other page. And it's only 3 pages, guys. And that is the last page. No, it's the same page. There are 3 pages, I believe. Yes, there are 3 pages. And I guess I just printed out 2. So anyway, this was to help me package her box and make it all cohesive and pretty. And I forgot, guys, I did make her a pen. I made her a pen that matches just her collection for her junk journal. I don't know if it's too thick or not, but here's the pen that I made her. I just used some balls that will match the collection, and then this bow, it comes from Happy Crafter Shop. I used the black pen, and then I used this cute little ghost, and yeah, I made her this little pen. I just thought it was so adorable, and I really do hope she gets good use out of it. There you go. So that's another extra. And then I just put one of those pencils. I know I shared those with you guys, and I said they were horrible, but hey, it's she can use it, and they don't totally go to waste. All right, guys. Well, that was my entry. Well, that was my project share and my entry for this birthday challenge. I sincerely hope that she enjoys it, that she likes what I'm sending her. And there we go, guys. I will talk to you in the next video. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.